Hello and welcome to my channel Anirban's World of Digital Finance powered by Esperana. I am Anirban and in this video I am going to show you how to process automated payments in SAP. So I'll log into SAP. This is the SAP login icon. I'll punch in my user ID and password. Alright. The T code to process automated payment is F110. Now the menu path to come in this screen is accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, periodic processing. You see F110 payments. This is what where we will come to make the payment. But before even if we go before if we even go here, we need to check the open items in our vendor account. So what I'll do is that I'll go to FBL1N. So here I'll go for account 234, and as you have seen, as you know in my previous video, that I have only configured one vendor. So but here we can pay multiple vendors and multiple invoices which are due for payment. So what I will do is that I will see how many open line items are here in this particular vendor. So if you see that there are 5 lakh and 8 lakh, right? So this we will make a automated payment by which we will pull up the invoices. And also we also if we are going to make a check payment, so we also need to see whether the check payment method is updated in the vendor master record. So what we'll do is that we will go to FK03, which is seeing the vendor details. And if you go to the payment transaction, you see that why this is the payment method, and this has already been updated, so we are good to go. Alright, so now coming back to F110 screen, what we should do is that we have to see the no parameters are entered here, so we have to first enter the parameter. So the run date would be today's date. So it is 14/04/2021. Identification number we will say 234 A. Alright, that's the identification number we have entered, and then we'll go to the parameter. So here you have to give your company codes. We have only have one company code, and the payment method is only Y in this case, which we have selected. So if we go here, so this is what we have selected, and then and the next payment date would be tomorrow's date. I'll give the tomorrow's date. So I'll go to the additional log. We will select the payment method selection in all cases, and we will select our vendor. So we'll go here. We'll select this vendor. All right, and you can select a range here as well, and we are all set. We'll also select the same range here. Since we have only one vendor, we won't select the range. We can also go here and have multiple selection, right? So this is what we will do. So with that, we will hit save. Now we will look into the proposal. So we'll generate the proposal. We'll say start immediately. So proposal is ready to start. Proposal is running. We'll enter. Proposal has been created. Now we should look into the proposal. In order to look into the proposal, we will look into the proposal. You see, 13 lakh is there. So if we click on this, you see both 5 lakh and 8 lakh has been picked up, right? So we'll come back. So the proposal is right, and then if we click here, if we don't want to, like if I want to block a payment, we can put a block here, right? But we here we would like to, see that both the payments are being made, both the invoices. So what we will do is that we will go back, and then we will do a payment run. Start immediately. So you will hit enter, and the payment run has been carried out, right? So this is how you are going to make the payment run, and then what you should do is that now I'll go back to FBL1N and see. I'll select all items, and I'll see previously there were 13 lakhs in the open item. I'll see how it is now looking. If you see, so this 13 lakh has been, like the payment document has been initiated, and 5 lakh and 8 lakh invoices has been cleared with the 13 lakh payment document, right? So this is how we do the payment run, automated payment run. Here we have one vendor and two invoices. So you can pick up, multiple vendors. As mentioned before, you can pick up multiple vendors and multiple invoices for each one of these vendors. So with this, you need not have to make a one by one payment like we have seen before in case of manual payment. Here we can make automated payment by F110. If you I hope you like the video. If you like it, please like the video, and if you haven't yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.